Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Gallardo versus Nissan GT-R. We'll dive into their performance, driving dynamics, and overall value to help you decide which iconic sports car best suits your desires. Get ready for a thrilling breakdown of these automotive legends, exploring what makes each one a unique and compelling choice for enthusiasts worldwide. The Lamborghini Gallardo typically houses a powerful 2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, delivering around 500 to 570 horsepower. This allows for a 0 to 60 mph sprint in as little as 3.2 seconds for some variants. In contrast, the Nissan GT-R is equipped with a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6, producing 480 to 600 horsepower depending on the model. The GTR can achieve 0 to 60 mph in a blistering 2.9 to 3.1 seconds for many versions. Driving the Gallardo is a raw, emotional experience, characterized by its distinctive V10 engine sound and exotic presence. It offers a more traditional supercar feel. The GTR, often called Godzilla, provides a high-tech, all-wheel drive experience, known for its incredible grip and advanced electronics, making it surprisingly capable for daily driving. While both are performance machines, the GTR generally offers more practicality and a less intimidating driving experience for everyday use. When it comes to value, the Lamborghini Gallardo often has a higher initial purchase price and can incur significant maintenance costs due to its exotic nature. The Nissan GT-R, however, delivers supercar-level performance at a more accessible price point, often providing more horsepower per dollar. Ownership costs for the GT-R are generally lower, making it a more practical high-performance choice. Ultimately, your preference for raw Italian flair versus Japanese engineering prowess will guide your decision. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.